Welcome back to the Kingna channel. If you're into classic cars, you're in for a treat. Today, I've got 11 amazing classic cars for sale that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in. First up, 1972 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe two-door for $9,500. This beauty is listed in Southern Pines, North Carolina, and has been driven 150,000 miles. It's got an automatic transmission and a gorgeous burgundy exterior with a black interior. The Buick features a rebuilt 455 engine and TH350 transmission, plus some solid upgrades like a new front disc brake conversion and tubular front-end suspension. However, it does need some bodywork, including new floor pans. The seller is asking $9,500 or best offer. Second car, 1970 Pontiac LeMans Sport for $9,500. This one's listed in Jenison, Michigan with 78,880 miles on the clock. It comes with an automatic transmission and a gold exterior paired with a tan interior. The car runs, drives, and stops, but it hasn't been on the road much in recent years. It's mostly original and solid, and the seller has the title in hand. Third car, 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Classic for $7,000. This project car is listed in Hamilton, Ohio. It was being converted into a drag car, but the seller lost interest. It features a 350 small block engine with a small cam, a turbo 350 transmission, and a host of performance upgrades like 28 by 10.5 slicks, new body mounts, and a Holley 750 carburetor. It's a clean build with lots of new parts, but it's still in need of a little work. The seller is open to trades, including cars, bikes, trucks, or boats. Fourth car, 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe two-door for $6,000. This classic Z28, located in Mountaintop, Pennsylvania, has been driven 92,000 miles. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and features a red-on-red color scheme. The car has a 305 V8 carbureted engine and has been in a heated garage for 24 years. Some repairs are needed, including fiberglass work on the rocker panel and painting a new fender. The seller is motivated and open to reasonable offers. Fifth car, 1978 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe two-door for $7,000. This one's listed in Lynchburg, Tennessee. It has an automatic transmission and a black-on-black look. Under the hood is a 383 small block stroker engine paired with a 350 turbo transmission. The transmission was rebuilt recently with a shift kit and 3,500 RPM stall. The only rust is minimal, located on the trunk lip. The seller is asking $7,000 or is willing to trade for a crew cab truck or SUV. Sixth car, 1987 Ford Mustang LX 5.0-liter convertible two-door for $6,499. Listed in Chippewa Lake, Ohio, this Mustang has 101,502 miles and features an automatic transmission. It's red with a gray interior and has been well maintained by the seller's father since 1992. The car is in solid condition, but it has some damage to the front driver's side from a parking lot incident. The seller says everything works except the driver's side door lock solenoid. Seventh car, 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe two-door for $6,000. Located in Gibsonia, Pennsylvania, the Z28 has been driven just 39,377 miles. It's got an automatic transmission and a red exterior with a black interior. The car runs and drives, but is considered a project. The seller is asking $6,000 with the current wheels, or is open to negotiating the price without them. Eighth car, 1974 Pontiac GTO Coupe, two-door for $5,000. Listed in Luxembourg, Wisconsin, this GTO project car has been driven 100,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a blue exterior with a white interior. The car is in decent condition with a new gas tank, exhaust, and carpet, but the engine and transmission, a 400 and turbo 400, are not installed. The interior needs work, but it's a solid project for someone looking to restore a classic. Ninth car, 1986 Chevrolet Camaro for $5,000. This Camaro, located in Norwalk, Ohio, has 86,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It has a 350 engine with fresh gaskets, a comp cam, and a rebuilt TH350 transmission. It's got a custom drive shaft and short tube headers. The paint job was done about 10 years ago, and while it runs, it still needs some work, including a power steering belt and an exhaust system. Tenth car, 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo for $10,000. Listed in Martin, Michigan. This Monte Carlo has been driven 50,000 miles and is in good condition. It features an automatic transmission, a silver exterior, and a blue interior. The floors and trunk have been replaced, and while the exact mileage is unclear due to a dash replacement, it's powered by a 350 engine. The seller is asking $10,000. Last but not least, the 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Coupe two-door for $8,500. This car, located in Flora, Indiana, has 70,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The Firebird has a fresh rebuilt 403 engine and a 350 transmission. It's got new wiring, new floors, and comes with a few extra parts. The seller mentions that while it runs and drives, it still needs a bit of work, but most of the parts are included. That's all for today's Classic Car Roundup. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Kingna, and let me know in the comments which car caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.